had a few laps, you've had a bit of a preview of the circuit. You're back here at Silverstone for 2012. New beginning really, 2012 for you, isn't it?
Yeah, I think after what happened last year, we never had the best season in Moto Grand Prix in 2011, but started 2012 and it seems to be going okay at the minute. 2 fourth places, a 5th and an 8th. Hopefully our confidence is building through and through every single race.
You've got a bit more of an edge about you. That's how it strikes me. Do you feel the same?
Yeah, I think I went into the off-season happy. I finished 4th in Valencia. We had a decent test with 1000cc straight away, and to come into this year, sort of swinging was the main thing, and I think that's what we've done. And we started the year with a decent result, and I thought let's build on that, and I think so far we have been.
You've had some front rows. The international press, who maybe don't know you so well, are beginning to learn your humour. Do you enjoy that?
Yeah, it's been different. I think we've caused a little bit of hype here and there, and we've topped a few sessions over the year so far. So that's interesting. At the end of the day, I don't lie, I tell the truth, and I think that's what people want to hear, and that's what the fans relate to as well.
It must be a hell of a rush coming to the biggest circuit in the calendar, 3.6 miles that we've got here at Silverstone, the Hangar Straight.
You'll be seeing some speeds, definitely. You've got a bit of everything here. You've got tight and twisty, but you've also got fast, wide open corners, and it's so wide here as well. The circuit width is good, so you can use all the track, and that's what we like in racing these Grand Prix bikes, is to let the bikes flow.
You're battling up with Valentino Rossi. Does that still give you a bit of a frisson of excitement?
Yeah, definitely. Valentino's Valentino. He was the guy that I used to look up to 10 years ago. But at the end of the day, it's nice to be, even mentioned in the same sentence as Valentino Rossi. When you get to battle with him and sometimes beat him, it's humbling, really.
So make sure you come to Silverstone for the British MotoGP on the weekend of June the 17th. Tickets are still available online, silverstone.co.uk at discount, until a couple of days before the event itself. Day of Champions is on the Thursday, and remember, if you're a family, kids come free, 15 and under. I've been doing MotoGP for 17 years now, and I've got a real buzz about this year's British MotoGP here at Silverstone, so make sure you come along to enjoy it with me.